If you've been hurt in a car wreck, I encourage you to get immediate medical attention. And this is regardless of whether or not you plan on presenting a claim against the insurance company for your injuries. You had your health before the wreck, and I know that getting better is your primary concern. Well, what do you tell your doctor about your injuries? You tell them the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. It's extremely important that you communicate clearly with all of your medical providers throughout the course of your treatment. Tell your doctors and therapists exactly where you hurt and what you're experiencing so they can accurately diagnose your injuries and develop the appropriate treatment plan to get you better. And be a good patient. Do what the doctor tells you to do when you're supposed to do it. Attend your medical appointments with a positive outlook so you can start putting the pieces back together. Now, we're often asked whether or not the insurance company for the person that caused the wreck will pay for the medical bills as the injured victim treats with his or her doctors. The simple answer is no, they will not. Their insurance company will only evaluate whether or not they will pay for your medical bills when you have completed your treatment. Well, if their insurance company won't pay for your medical bills as you treat, what do? Well, here's what we do for our clients. First, we check our own clients' insurance policies to see if they have available MedPay coverage. Now, MedPay coverage is like health insurance on your car. If you have MedPay coverage and you're hurt in a wreck, your insurance company will cover your medical bills as you treat up to the limits of insurance. If you don't have MedPay coverage, then we look to see if you have health insurance. And too many times we hear health insurance companies tell injured victims that they can't use their health insurance if they're hurt in a car wreck. This is baloney. I mean, isn't this one of the reasons why you purchased health insurance? Provided you comply with the terms of your policy, your health insurance has to pay for your treatment. And a third option is to find a doctor that is willing to accept a written guarantee from you that you will pay him or her when your case settles. Now, please listen to what I'm about to tell you because this part is extremely important. Please do not compromise your physical recovery when the insurance company tempts you with a quick settlement. Too many times we receive frantic phone calls from people that were hurt in car wrecks. They settled their cases for the quick cash promised them by the insurance company before they knew the extent and severity of their injuries. And they all ask us the same question: is there anything you can do to help me? Unfortunately, once they have settled their claim, regardless of how hurt they are, there is nothing we can do to help them. What they thought was an injury that would resolve on its own has now turned into a much bigger health problem. So I beg of you, please do not make that same mistake. Do not sign anything that the insurance company places in front of you until you speak with us. So please, give us a call before you talk to the insurance company, 770-934-8000 or toll free, 1-888-934-8100. And we look forward to hearing from you.